morning, students. Today I am going to explain again the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In the previous video you have already read the different method for the preparation of aldehydes. Now let us see preparation of aldehyde from hydrocarbons. We have already discussed the preparation of aldehyde from the hydrocarbons toluene to benzaldehyde by using bromyl chloride and chromium trioxide and acetic anhydride. These two methods already discussed in the previous video. Now again preparation of aldehyde from the hydrocarbons by side chain chlorination. By side chain chlorination. Toluene This is toluene. When treated to chlorine in presence of light, we can write in this form also. So we all know that in the presence of light, homolytic cleavages takes place and the formation of, write down the equation, C connected to carbon connected to Cl, this to Cl, and this compound undergoes to hydrolysis. The formation of benzaldehyde takes place. At first we know the chlorine is good leaving group, so it removed from here by taking their electrons. So hydroxide ion goes on this carbon and the formation of two molecules of formation of carbon with two hydroxyl group and hydrogen. We know that if carbon containing 2 OH group, this is unstable form, so removal of water takes place and the formation of benzaldehyde takes place. Okay, very easy method. By side chain chlorination we can prepare benzaldehyde from toluene. At first toluene undergoes to chlorination in presence of light and this compound treated with hydrolysis, formation of this compound, and after removal of H2O, formation of benzaldehyde takes place. Next reaction is name reaction. It is a name reaction that is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. We easily help to link the CHO to remember this reaction help to formation of CHO group. See the mechanism how the reaction proceed. the carbon monoxide and HCl reagent is used in the Gattermann-Koch reaction for the preparation of aldehyde. We know that structure: carbon acquire negative charge when it and the Cl acquire negative charge because chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. So H plus is taken by carbon. And see here what happens. Carbon has positive charge and the triple bond oxygen is here. Acquire positive charge also. So this pi electron shifted towards here and chlorine goes towards the carbon and the formation of formyl chloride takes place. Formation of formyl chloride, it is known as formyl chloride. Simply at first we generate the reagent. What happens? When this formyl chloride treated with Lewis acids, aluminum chloride, so this is more electronegative and goes towards the aluminum. So the formation of electrophile, this is our electrophile, and here Cl4 remove here. What happens when benzene treated with electrophilic substitution? We know that this electron will come here and this is the electron rich position and the electrophile attached at this position. See here, hydrogen already present here and CHO group is present, and the removal of H plus, so bond from here, and this H plus gained by AlCl4 minus and the formation of benzyl aldehyde takes place along with AlCl3 and Cl. So it is very easy method to convert benzene to benzaldehyde by using carbon monoxide HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Preparation of ketones. Now see how the ketones prepared. At first from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. We prepare ketone from the cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride by using Grignard reagent. See here, at first Grignard reagent RMgX treated with cadmium chloride. We know that cadmium is metal, is acquire positive charge, chlorine is non-metal, acquire negative charge, and magnesium also acquire positive charge and alkyl group acquire negative charge. What happens? This alkyl group goes towards the cadmium and this is the good leaving group removed from here. Here is the 2 valency. So one of the Grignard reagent is also required for the alkyl group. Negative charge, positive charge. This again goes to the cadmium. What happens? Here dialkyl cadmium form along with Mg and Cl, 2 molecules of MgSl. So formation of dialkyl cadmium. Next step, when acyl chloride, our reagent is acyl chloride. It is known as ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride treated with dialkyl cadmium. Dialkyl cadmium. Cadmium is metal, so it requires positive charge. Carbon requires negative charge. And we know that pi electrons here present with oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative. At first, pi electron shifted towards this, and when come here, this is the good living group removed from the here. In that condition, carbon acquire positive charge. So, quickly alkyl group attack at this position. One acyl group is also required for one alkyl group. Here same things happen. Carbon by positive charge and chlorine removed here. So this alkyl group come here. Now see what happens. The formation of CH3 at first, C double bond O and 2 alkyl group R. So formation of ketone takes place along with cadmium chloride. So formation of ketone. Formation of ketone takes place from acyl chloride by using cadmium chloride and Grignard reagent. See the mechanism, very easy mechanism. Cadmium chloride, cadmium is metal, so it requires positive charge, and chlorine is non-metal, it requires negative charge. Magnesium in Grignard reagents, metal is require positive charge, alkyl group require negative charge. At first alkyl group goes towards the cadmium and 2 moles of Grignard reagent is used, 2 molecules. So one of the alkyl group also goes towards the cadmium chloride. In the meantime, chlorine is a good living group removed from here. So formation of dialkyl cadmium. Directly acyl chloride not react with Grignard reagent because when ketone form, Grignard reagent will present, so the formation of alcohol takes place. So the method of preparation of ketone by acyl chloride, it is very easy and important. Now next, from nitrides by alkyl nitride. Alkyl nitride. Alkyl nitride, C triple bond and we use again Grignard reagent. We can use aride instead of alkyl. It may be R, it may be Ar. At first, carbon and nitrogen. Nitrogen is most electronegative, so pi electron shifted towards it and require negative charge, and carbon require positive charge. And it it is also negative positive, and this negative alkyl group goes this electrophilic center, and the formation of CH3 C connected to C6 H5 and double bond and connected to MgX and MgX. What happens when this compound undergoes to hydrolysis? Takes place either simple water or acidic hydrolysis. Formation of CH3 C double bond O and C6H5 along with byproduct. So formation of acetophenol 1, 2 acetophenol. Okay, it is very easy method. It is nitrile group, propyl alkyl nitride, and it is a Grignard reagent. Reaction takes place. Carbon acquire positive charge. Pi electron shifted towards the nitrogen because nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. Here Grignard reagent, magnesium acquire positive charge and aryl group acquire negative charge. Electrophilic center form here carbon. So this nucleophile goes at the carbon and the negative charge goes towards the magnesium. Formation of intermediate compound takes place. So after hydrolysis, removal of this group takes place and the formation of acetophenol takes place. Next, Friedel-Crafts reaction. By Friedel-Crafts acylation, we can also prepare ketone. Simply, we know that when benzene undergoes to acyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid and hydrous AlCl3, formation of acetophenol takes place. We have already discussed this method in the class 11th. Convert benzene to acetophenol by the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Convert nitrile to acetophenol by using Grignard. These two methods help to prepare the ketone as well as preparation of ketone by this method. Now our next topic will be physical property. Physical property of aldehyde and ketones. Write down the first point. Methanol. Only exists in the gaseous phase, and ethanol exist in volatile liquid. Volatile liquid are those liquid in which their boiling points are low. Those type of liquid, their boiling points is low, so they are known as volatile liquid. Except These two all help all aldehydes and ketones either liquid form or solid form, depend on the molecular mass. Longer chain liquid, lower chain, not longer, lower chain liquid and higher chain exist in solid form. So aldehyde and ketone, lower aldehyde, only these two aldehyde in which methanol exists in gaseous form and ethanol exists in a volatile liquid. All aldehydes and ketone exist in the liquid or solids, depends on their molecular mass. Lower chain liquid form, higher chain solid form. Next, boiling point. Boiling point of aldehyde and ketone. Higher as compared to hydrocarbons and ether of almost same mass. Hydrocarbons and ether and aldehyde or ketone, if they all have same mass, boiling point of aldehyde and ketone must be higher as compared to hydrocarbons and ethers. It is due to the dipole-dipole interaction. For example, propanol, molar mass 48 and molar mass 48. Boiling point of aldehyde is ketone. Boiling point will be high in comparison to this, because see here, C2H5O and one molecule C2H5 carbon is positive due to attached with electronegative oxygen, so it requires positive charge. And here the negative charge present on the electronegative, so there will be dipole-dipole interaction. Due to dipole-dipole interaction, the boiling point of aldehyde always greater than the boiling point of hydrocarbons having molar mass. But next point, boiling point of aldehyde ketones is less than their respective alcohol. Because in alcohol hydrogen bond is present. Boiling point is the important part of physical property. Number of times reasoning questions were asked from the boiling point. The boiling point of aldehyde and ketone is higher as compared to the hydrocarbons and ether, but lower than the alcohol, because not in ether or the hydrocarbons there will be any force of attraction. Boiling point simply based on their molar mass. But in alcohol, boiling point is on the basis of hydrogen bond, and in the aldehyde the boiling point is on the basis of weak dipole-dipole interaction. Two molecules of ethanol, if we taken two molecules of aldehyde, there will be weak force of attraction exist, which is called the dipole-dipole interaction. Okay.